Manufacturing production measures a country's manufacturing output. Manufacturing production is an important indicator of the strength of any economy, as it makes up a large part of the total gross domestic product. Manufacturing is an important indicator of economic health because it makes up about 80% of total industrial production and has a heavy market impact. Industrial production measures outputs of a country's factories and mines. Changes in industrial production are widely followed as a major indicator of strength in the manufacturing sector. Mines and utilities make up about 20% of total industrial production, so this data tends to be overshadowed by manufacturing production, which makes up the other 80%. A reading for both prints that comes out as above expectations is seen as positive or bullish, while a reading below expectations is seen as negative or bearish.